welcome back. My name is Summer and I have a really fun video to be sharing with you guys today. I did an awesome project for one of my good friends, PK. She was surprising her daughter Marley with a brand new bedroom space. Marley just recently went away to college at USC, and yes, USC is very close by. She'll still be coming back and forth to visit mom and brother, but we wanted to give her more of like an adulty bedroom space. We also wanted it to be served as a guest space, so when PK has guests that come into town, this space came out so dreamy, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I hope that you guys are gonna love it too. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please help out your girl. I beg you to help me out. I'm trying so hard to grow this side of the channel as well, and please subscribe to my channel to see more awesome, fun, and interior design videos just like this one. We're cruising back over to beautiful Hermosa Beach, where most of all my clients are, but how stunning is this cute little town? It's very historic, and I was at the beach the other day and it is really starting to feel like summer around here, although Hermosa is summertime vibes all year long. When PK first showed me Marley's bedroom, I actually loved it. I thought that it had so much potential. There was so much bright light in the space. It just looked like it was living in the past, like it was a very young girl's bedroom space and not a young adult going to college bedroom space. PK gave me pretty much full reign on designing Marley's bedroom space. I knew that I wanted to keep it beachy, bright, and airy, so I came up with a design concept for Marley's bedroom space. I knew immediately that I wanted to create an accent wall behind the bedroom space using wallpaper. I found this beautiful beachy wallpaper actually on Etsy, and it was stunning, so we ordered a sample. However, it kind of came at a very pricey price, so we decided to do something really fun. Check it out. I am here today in PK's daughter's space, Marley, and Drika's here helping me again. She's my painting buddy.
Hello!
And we are doing a really cool wallpaper technique on this back wall here as an accent wall. I found some really pretty wallpaper that I wanted to do, but I wanted to try and save some moolah and hand paint it. So we are just putting down our base coat right now, and I'll show you what we do next. So I took the image that I found online of the wallpaper that I liked, and I took it into Photoshop. I reversed the image by making it all black, and then I just put it on a flash drive, took it to Staples to have printed, and of course Rosie came with me, and there you have it. We've got the start of our hand-painted wallpaper. Getting ready to paint our wallpaper on this wall. And we've got a little projector that's gonna help us. I made like a digital rendering of our wallpaper and just had it printed out at Staples. And now we have this cool like little projector thing that's helping us trace our image. So stay tuned. So you can see here now I have like my projector set up, and I can see here, so I can be able to trace this just with a pencil and then be able to paint it on. I'm gonna have to freehand some areas, but I'm gonna get going. One little quick tip or trick for you guys is if you are going to try this on your own, I would recommend using like a yellow like colored pencil or like a very light colored pencil, because if you use a regular colored pencil, it's going to muddy up your paint when it's time to go paint. And since we were using like a very light colors, I didn't want that to happen, so here you see me using a yellow colored pencil. So Marley had a little ensuite next to her bedroom space, and I couldn't do a makeover without making a little bit of a change in here too and giving this bathroom a mini makeover. So we were just going to add some things to the space, and I knew it had great potential with all of this bright light, and I loved this minty green color, so check out what we do. Okay, so one very easy fix to update any bathroom space, or actually just any space, like even the kitchen, is changing out the hardware. Like these are like super old school, very 90s-ish. So I got some cute new little brass handles. Marley and PK both are not a huge fan of black, I've been told, or I've noticed. There is like some black like in the bathroom tile. So I didn't want to go too hard on the black, but you'll see when I start adding things that I did add a little touch of black just to kind of tie that in. But I thought that the brass would be really pretty, and they're just so easy to switch out and change. So cute! This is such a beautiful space and really one of my favorites. I can't wait to share it with you. Come check out what I did in here.
Just go again. Action.
Welcome back. My name is... Why do I look like this? What? Don't look like this. It's gonna be so good.